Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 46. Sir, the state government has taken multidisciplinary and integrated approach to tackle traffic congestion and improve the mobility and accessibility of Shillong City. The state government conducted technical studies, integrated network planning, and mobility gap assessment to understand the root cause. Based on this and inputs from various departments, a blueprint to decongest Shillong was prepared, which has listed out short, medium, and long-term interventions to ease traffic congestion. C. A multi-departmental committee
I will now
headed
call
by Chief
the
Secretary
House to
for
order.
the Shillong Decongestion
Let us take
Committee
up question
has
number
also been
45.
notified to monitor
Sri
the
Abu
progress
Tahir Mandal,
of
Minister
the
in charge.
interventions listed in the blueprint. The committee has convened various meetings to monitor the progress.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I interrupt under the
Mr. Speaker, sir,
answer is very
we'd like
long.
to start question number
Please, the
45.
table of the House.
Yes, sir. I'm happy to place on the table of the House.
So, let me ask you supplementary questions.
So, all my supplementaries are already answered here. But let me refer to this, the budget speech led by the Honorable Chief Minister and paragraph
Give them, and accordingly
527.
they have come with notification.
The blueprint to comprehensively address
Again, we
issues
can
of
say
traffic
that.
congestion.
No, we have, I think we
One
have.
of these blueprints was the world-class skywalk. So it's a very interesting and important infrastructure that is being constructed. But that will only ease the traffic, pedestrian traffic. We are also concerned about the vehicular traffic congestion. May I suggest, if this world-class skywalk can be converted into world-class
That
bus.
prior to this, there was no restriction
Elevation of
on the load capacity of trucks flying.
project will be on stilts. Therefore, if this can be added, then the use of motor vehicular traffic will be reduced tremendously.
You mean
If it can be incorporated, sir.
high range instead
That's
of
right,
skywalk?
sir. That's right.
Sir, point noted, sir. Point noted.